All right, guys, so number 10, select one piece of text evidence that supports the idea that lancehead vipers are dangerous too. Please refer back to the text if needed. All right, these are our options. Lancehead vipers live on the mainland of Brazil and feed primarily on rodents. Lancehead vipers are one of the most venomous snakes in the world. The Brazilian government is vigilant about protecting people from snakes, or the golden lancehead's toxic, fast-acting venom is necessary for the snakes to survive. Okay, so this question is only asking about lancehead vipers, not golden lancehead vipers. Okay, so we can automatically just cross out D here. Okay, but we can find our answer under the subheading the snakes, though. Okay, so right here where it says the snakes, though. And it talks about lancehead vipers and how they are one of the most venomous snakes in the world. Okay, so if I scroll over my explanation for number 10, it proves that lancehead vipers are also dangerous. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and select my correct answer. I really hope I marked them all correct. And I'm going to submit. Let's see what my score is. Yes, I got a 100. All right, guys, if you have any questions, you know to use the discussion post if you need to, or you can email me or send me a private comment through your Google Classroom. All right, bye.